Are you tired of your headlights looking like this when you drive? It's downright dangerous to drive with headlights that just don't do the job right. Well, today we are with AUXITO with their LED light solution to make this the best lighting situation possible. Not only do they have great packaging, but everything they have is super plug and play and makes this the easiest installation ever. I have seen a lot of LED lights in my day, and this is by far the easiest. You literally just plug it in and it goes in like OEM. That before and after goes crazy. Now on the 08 Fit, this install is a bit on the annoying side because the headlight is only accessible through the wheel well, but I'll show you guys how to actually get to it, and it's not too bad once you do it once. There should be a clip right here, but for some reason there's not. So remove it, and you're gonna just kind of peel this back a little bit. You might have to get the one that's right here as well. You might have to get this one as well to make it a little bit easier. All you gotta do is peel it back, and you'll see the headlight right in here. All you gotta do is unplug the wire, undo the clip, and it pops right out. And there's no secrets to it. The plug just pops out of it, and then you'll see a little clip in there. Just spring it up and the light will come right out. The little pin, just push in, move it a little bit with your thumb, and it will release it, and the bulb is free. This grommet, you could probably trim it and reuse it, but I don't think I'm gonna use it because there's a fan on the new lights. LED lights tend to run a little bit hotter, so they do have a fan that's already on there. This one is just like this, so you can reach everything with ease, and you literally just plug this into the harness. This goes right to the factory light place, and it works. All it is, simple as that. Now, when installing this, make sure that this flat part is at the bottom, and once you get the light, if you can't see it on my video, you'll see what I mean. It slides right in, and just lock it back into place like the existing bulb. Plug this in, and you're all good to go. Next, all you gotta do is plug it in, put your screw back in there, and you're done. Just a little pro tip, lift the car just a little bit to make you have a little more room. Not only does this modernize the look of the front of the car, but it's also gonna make it way safer because you'll actually be able to see at night now. Those old halogen lights just aren't the best, but these are the best. Now we just gotta wait until nighttime, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're driving down the road. So it's still pretty light out, but the fact that you can see the lights shining just shows how good these actually are. And we're gonna do a little bit of an edit just to kind of show them off. It is a complete night and day difference of how much output these lights actually have. You can see so much better with these, and I feel a lot safer now driving at night. Just comparing the two, you can see how much better these are. If you guys are looking to upgrade your headlights because, you know, brighter headlights are safer, make sure you guys use my link or my code in the description. I'll leave everything down below. My code is going to be TTR_garage, just like my channel, and it'll get you, I think it's 10% off or 15% off. I really don't remember, but it'll get you some money off, and these headlights are absolutely incredible. I've been running these in my Civic for a few months now. No complaints. They're bright, they don't dim, they just work. So guys, upgrade your headlights, get some nice LED lights, stay safe out there so you can see. I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so comment, like, subscribe, keep doing the fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys later.